The square and the old street, in Spanish Calle Vieja, part of the Royal Road, are the spine of the urban area of Ugao Miravalles. In it, we can find the Fountain of the Three Pipes, or Fuente de los Tres Caños, one of the most typical and picturesque corners in the town and the main meeting point for locals. The original fountain was built in 1779 by craftsman Juan de Iturburu, the works being completed by master stonecutter Antonio de Respaldiza from Llorio. Only one of the outer stills of the contour remains visible today. The current fountain was built by Joaquín de Lecanda around 1858, following the neoclassical style of the period. It consists of a square base with 4 wells that gather the running water. One of them was also a drinking trough for cattle, which was often tethered to the pillars of the perimeter to rest. Up to the 1950s, water for human consumption and other purposes, which was very valuable and of high quality, was obtained mainly from the Fountain of the Three Pipes, which received its water from Mount Goyquiri. From the beginning of the 20th century, there has been a tradition of turning the stone ball around, or vuelta a la bola, which is located at the top of the fountain to symbolize the end of the cycle and of the local festivities, a tradition that started to be included in the festivities program in the 70s. Traditionally, the responsibility of turning the ball falls on some local person who has accomplished an exemplary deed for the good of the town and its people.